या दोन्ही एक्झामिनेशनबद्दल आपल्याला डिटेलमध्ये माहिती देणार रिस्पेक्टेड स्टेट हेड सर मिस्टर अभिषेक सर. अभिषेक सर.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Abhishek Kumar Sinha. I'm a state head for Aakash, and on behalf of Aakash, I welcome all of you. So it's all started in the year 1988 when Aakash was established with just 12 kids from Delhi, and right now we have more than 415 centers where approximately 4 lakhs plus students are taking their education for pursuing MBBS courses and doing engineering and different types of Olympiad and their board examination. So today here we are gathered to just launch of our most prestigious examination called ANTHE and Invictus Ace. So for ANTHE, this is our 16th edition, and this is one of the most important and most popular examination among all the students who are opting for their MBBS course or engineering. So you might be amazed to know that last year approximately 1.3 million, more than 13 lakhs students registered for this ANTHE examination, which is equivalent to number of registration in JEE main examination this year. And I think approximately 10.28 lakhs students appeared in this examination, a talent hunt examination. This is itself a very big achievement. So this year also we are just launching ANTHE, and through ANTHE students can earn up to 100% scholarship, and we have planned to give a scholarship of rupees 250 crore for the entire students all across India, and a cash award of more than 2.5 crore. So this examination has two important aspects from our side. The first one is to just identify the different talents, जो कि बहुत दूसरे और remote area में भी बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे होते हैं who want to pursue MBBS and but couldn't recognized. So the first मतलब जो हमारा इसका purpose है, that's to identify the talent. That's why it is called talent hunt examination. And the second is to bridge the gap between the aspiration and if they have some financial constraint. So बहुत सारे ऐसे भी बच्चे होते हैं जो कि पढ़ना चाहते हैं, जिनके एस्पिरेशन लेवल अच्छे हैं, बट वो किसी कारण से ड्यू टू फिनेंशियल कंस्ट्रेंट और मे बी वो आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर पाते हैं कि मुझे किस तरफ जाना है, कैरियर्स को लेकर थोड़े डाउट्स होते हैं. तो उन बच्चों को आइडेंटिफाई कर उन्हें हम फिनेंशियली सपोर्ट करने के लिए ये एग्जामिनेशन हमने लॉन्च, मतलब अभी हम आज इसको इनॉग्रेट करेंगे. सो ये एग्जामिनेशन जो शेड्यूल्ड है, ये पहले मैं एक बार एंथे के बारे में बात कर लेता हूँ, फिर हम इन्विक्टस के बारे में बात करेंगे. सो एंथे एग्जामिनेशन registration आज से ही ओपन है, and this examination is scheduled in both the mode offline and online. So for online, the examination will start from 4th of October to 12th of October. The students can opt any 1 hour slots between this date range, 4th October to 12th October. And for offline, the examination is being scheduled on 5th of October and 12th of October, 2 days on 2 Sundays, and the examination timing is 10 to 11. So students currently studying from class 5th to 12th can appear in this examination. The examination fee is rupees 300, but right now for the next few days, early bird offer, they are getting 50% discount, and they can just register themselves by paying rupees 150. So we will publish the results also in the month of October itself, and they are mostly welcome here and in this examination. And they appear, we welcome all of our students to appear in this examination. And apart from what I have already mentioned, rupees 250 crore scholarship and rupees 2.5 crore cash awards, there are many benefits through ANTHE. The first day we will publish the state rank and all India rank also, so students can just recognize their efforts, their talent at this point of time only, where they exist at national level and state level. And the second, you will again, I am very proud to say that this year itself 21 of AIR under 100 toppers जो अभी इस साल आए हैं नीट एग्जामिनेशन में, they enrolled with us with ANTHE only. So they started their journey with the ANTHE examination 3 years back, and 10 of our students in JEE main examination, JEE advanced examination, who scored under 100 rank, they were also enrolled in Aakash with ANTHE. So ANTHE is actually a gateway of their pursuing their dream of doing MBBS or doing a good having a good BTech degree from a prestigious college and institute. And second examination is Invictus Ace, which is especially designed for recognizing those students who have aspirations for going to different IITs, I mean to say JEE advanced examination. So this is a specially designed course, Invictus course, which we have launched last year, and the results are tremendously good this year also, and we are looking forward for the next year. So this examination is also again has been planned on the last Sunday of September, which is 24th of the first. Actually, this examination will happen in 3 days. Will happen. The first is 24th of September. The second will be 31st, and the 24th August, and 31st of August, and 7th of September. Again, this examination will be available in both the modes, offline and online. Registration fee same as ₹300, and the result will be published within 1 week of the examination date. So that's all from my side. If you have any question regarding Anthe or Invictus test, then forum is for you.
What